way, fifth graders, I know this is an introduction, but I just want to show you how to do adding. Sorry, this is supposed to be adding fractions with unlike denominators. So this is for your practice homework as an introduction. So here we go. They want us to add a half plus 2/3. Okay? First thing you do is you look at the denominators. All right? These are what we need to do in order to get them the same. Is we're looking at the 2 times table and the 3 times table. So 2 times table, 3 times table. We are trying to find the lowest common multiple, or we could say the lowest common denominator. What is in common between 2 and 3? Let's try. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 5 is 10. We'll stop there. Now the 3 times table. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. Bing, bing, bing. Stop right there. We've got a common multiple. These are what's in common with each other. So now we're going to go ahead and regroup. So I'm going to go ahead and put the 2 down, the original problem, and the 3. And we're going to go. Now, looking at the 2 times table, how much did it take to get to the common multiple? It took how many times? 3 times. So we're going to put 3 here and 3 here, because whatever you do at the bottom, you have to do at the top. Let's move this one over a little bit, sorry. And we're looking at the 3 times table. How much did it take to get to the common multiple? And it is 2 times. So whatever you do at the bottom, you have to do at the top. Then we multiply. 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6. Let's go over here. 2 times 2 is 4. 3 times 2 is 6. So now we have the same denominator. Now we go back to the original problem, and what did it tell us to do? It told us to add. So 3 over 6 plus 4 over 6 equals 3 plus 4 is 7 over 6. Now, this is what you call an answer called the improper fraction. What does that mean? That means that you've got a bigger number on top and a smaller number on the bottom. We don't want to keep it like that. We're going to simplify with this. And how you do that is say, how many times does 6 go into 7? And how many times does it go? 1 big whole 1. What is left over to get to 7 is a 1. And then you keep the common denominator, and that is your final answer. Now, if by any chance that you had something else and you had an answer like 4 over 6 without, and everything, you know, smaller number on the top and a bigger number on the bottom, you can simplify. And simplify means what number can go into both top and bottom. And I would say maybe 2. And that goes in 2 times, this goes in 3 times. And I don't think any number can both go into that, so that would be the final answer if you wanted to simplify a fraction. But if anything, and you just end up like that, just leave it alone until I teach you more. But this is the way how you do it. So whatever answer you have here, don't worry about simplifying if it boils down to it and you don't know. Just leave it as is, and we'll work on it next week. Thank you.